looking at mostly cloudy skies to get our Tuesday started. Temperatures mainly into the low 20s. We're checking in at 21 here in Lima, 22 Columbus. Notice the winds very light, and we're going to see very light winds today, so won't be much of a wind chill factor, and we should see the numbers climb from where they were yesterday. We struggled to make it out of the low 20s. Definitely cooler than we expected, but we think later today we'll start to tap into some sun, and we got a south wind today, so it's going to help to bring back some slightly warmer weather. But of course, we're not worried about the weather today and tomorrow. We're quiet. But boy, the end of the week is anything but quiet here. We've got a lot of concerns with a strong storm that's expected to develop over the region. And we have a winter storm watch from Lima, points off to the northwest. Now, keep in mind, if your county is not in the watch, that's only because it's timing a little bit later for you. And there's still some uncertainty on just how much snow those areas will get. But I think we're all going to be impacted very similarly here with snow and gusty winds and, of course, the extremely cold temperatures. Of course, coming at a time that many will be thinking about traveling as we go throughout the coming days. You can see these travel impacts here. We're looking at air travel delay potential tomorrow across the nation's midsection here across the Central Plains heading into Thursday. You can see from Thursday night into Friday, look at these travel impacts spreading east into the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley region, and even down here into the south. A lot of that is just because of the strong winds that they will be experiencing. You can see on Friday and into Friday night, we're going to continue to see heavily impacted travel all across the region. So that's why you want to get out today, tomorrow, and even Thursday around here we should still be okay. But then Friday, you're just really going to want to stay put as we're going to have a very impactful weather for sure with the wind, the cold, and the snow. So let's take a look at the system initially coming into the area Thursday. And you see temperatures are warmer on Thursday. Not warm, but at least we're going to be in the 30s. And I think we could see a light mix early Thursday, but overall it'll just be some light scattered showers Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. It looks like getting closer to about midnight Thursday night into early Friday. That's when the front comes in and we see this low pressure system. Initially it'll be weak, but it's going to rapidly strengthen across the area. And what that will do is it's going to really pick up those winds across the area. And those temperatures are going to absolutely plummet here. We're looking at temperatures falling to the single digits to near zero throughout the day Friday with wind-whipped snow showers. And as we make our way into Saturday, that system gradually starts to pull away into the Great Lakes. So it looks like wind gusts easily 45 to 55 miles an hour. Looks like that will start Thursday night, and then that will go through early Saturday. We'll have several inches of snow. That does appear likely. I'm not ready to throw out exact totals, but I do think it'll be enough to shovel and plow, and that snow is going to be just blowing and drifting like crazy because this will be a very dry snow. And when you combine that with the wind chill here, we're looking at wind chills of -20 to -30. So, of course, that would be a very big concern. If we lose any power across the area, that cold is just going to be so intense, it can become dangerous quickly. So that's why you just want to make sure you kind of keep that in mind. Just going to have a plan in place. If you do lose power, kind of think about where you're going to go and what you will do, because that is a possibility with these strong winds. But at least the snow will be dry and powdery, so it's not going to really weigh down anything. But again, it looks like this starts Thursday night. It's going to be a rapid switch from rain to snow. So if you're traveling, especially after midnight Thursday night, things will go downhill. And then Friday, snow-covered roads and gusty winds. And as we head into Saturday, we're just left with a few flurries, but temperatures only in the single digits for highs.
And a white Christmas, Holly.
I know. Yeah, be careful what you wish for, but we didn't want the wind and the cold. We just want the snow. That's all.
Well, be careful out there. I think you need